Yes, good evening all. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, okay, how was your exam? Like someone of you had exam, right, today?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Akshit, how was the test? How was the
Sir,
test?
actually, it was English exam. Yes, sir, it was easy.
Oh, okay. When is your maths?
Sir,
So
I have
math
my
is
model
on
exam.
Saturday, sir.
Okay, okay. Someone is having maths exam. Who's that?
Sir, I had maths model exam.
Oh, okay,
Sir.
okay.
Actually, me, sir, I was having maths exam yesterday, sir.
Okay, okay. How was
I-
it, Arini?
So it was somewhat easy and I may get 38 or 39.
Out of 40?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. 38 out of 40. Okay. Good. Okay. So many of you haven't joined today. Only 14. 1 second. Okay. So tell me. So which topic we'll go with?
So we did polynomials, right?
Yes. Make it fast. If we decide the topic so that we can just, I'll share the link as soon as possible. Who's having exam? Do you have an exam in the upcoming week?
Sorry, sir, you're saying something?
No, no, no. Do you have an exam in the coming week? Upcoming week, do you have any exam? I mean, like model exam, mock test, like school exams, pre-board exams. Kind
So
of.
for me, like I'm having on 14th Feb math exam.
Sorry, 14th?
Feb.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I will have my exams till 10th Feb.
Sir, mine exam will start from March.
Okay,
So mine will start from 9th and end at 25th.
okay,
So mine already started and will end at 12th.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
So in our exam, there was a figure. So it had like two hemispheres and all, two hemispheres. So they asked in one question, they asked us to do it like find the area of the domes. So there were two domes of different what do you call measurements. So which one should I take? I didn't understand which one to take, so I took both. So
Yeah. In case if there is any if they have not mentioned any particular case, just you have to take both the cases and just solve that question accordingly. Understood my point? If there is any any question something like that, you have to just solve in either of the ways. So if any particular case mentioned in the question, then you can move accordingly. But if not mention something like that, then you can just go in either of the ways.
okay, sir.
Right. Tell me the topic name today. Make it fast, guys. Are you here?
So
I think,
you're
Yes, sir.
yes, 1 second. I think let us have a look at the syllabus for a while. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Let us have a look at the syllabus and what are the topics we have done and what are the topics we have not gone through many times. So we'll just take that particular topic and we'll have a quiz. Just a minute.
so we haven't gone through to like construction, sir. We didn't
It's
try.
basically, see, constructions and all, like, we can't, I don't think so, like, we'll be having, MCQ quizzes on that, basically. See, construction is based completely, like, it would be better, like, if you just take the questions. If you want me to give the worksheet, I'll give a worksheet. You just, use, geometry box and submit it to me. Okay, fine. That would be better.
Okay, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, right, just a minute. So can you see the screen here? One second, let me share the screen. Dekho, look at this here. Term 2. Yes. Look at this polynomials. We crashed that. So polynomials, we have gone through multiple times. Quadrilaterals done, circles done, constructions. Okay. Surface areas and volumes. Probability. Surface areas and volumes probability many times. Guys, Heron's formula it is in first term one. Am I correct? It was in the term one. Okay, so tell me. Choice is yours. Is there anyone lacking with any particular topic?
Sir, not such particular topic.
Sorry?
Sir, I only have problem with proofs, sir.
You only have problem with?
So proving that this thing is a say in right angle or it bisects this or that like that.
No. For that, the only possibility is like for that, only the thing is like you have to be aware of all the properties, whatever you have. Let's say
Yes,
whatever
sir.
the properties you have to be so thorough with the properties and solve as many questions as possible. That is the only key for making sure that that is the only thing where we can make for that type of question. That is the only key. There is no other way.
Yes,
Like
sir.
you have to keep solving the multiple questions. Definitely, if you solve multiple questions, it gives confidence. It gives you more confidence to solve any type of question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, tell me, make it fast, make it fast. Probability, it's been a while since we wrote the probability. Shall we go for probability?
So should we go with circle, like the angles we have to find out in the circle, that kind of question?
Okay, circles class.
So because in probability there's like only one formula, that is like favorable outcomes by total outcomes.
Yeah. Can you see the screen here? Tell me which circles class 9. Some 19 questions. Okay, let's take this. Guys, I think some, we have, this thing, right?
You can check the
Instructor paste. Okay, let's see this. Timer participants see a countdown and get extra points for each question. No. Leaderboard. Okay. Play music. No. We don't want this. It's a disturbance. Shuffle questions. Okay. Shuffle questions. Is it fine? Or let us not
Yes,
have.
sir, let it be shuffle.
Okay. Chalo. Shuffling the question. Let me go with this. Okay. Guys, everyone should join. Guys, those who are facing those who are facing a problem with joining the thing, please do let me know. You can't be like 1 second. That's the link. Everyone join me quickly. Yes, someone is in the waiting room, I think. Who's in the waiting room? No one.
Sir, I will share the link.
I'm sharing it. I think someone is waiting in the room, that's why. Yes, Modita, have you joined? Modita, are you here? Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, I went out, sir.
Look at it. Join it fast. Join it fast. Make it fast.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, everyone joined. Yes. Okay. End question. Guys, make it fast. I think Harini is still solving. Nakshit still solving.
So have you started the quiz?
Yes.
So it's not showing for me.
Rejoin it. Refresh it and rejoin it. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Sir, it's saying me that you should wait for others.
Yeah, sir.
answer, sir.
So like we need to wait for others to complete the question. Then we can move forward for the second one.
Oh, you have to wait till others
Yes, sir.
finish?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Till everybody completes, we need to wait. After that, we need
My
to.
goodness. So it is like that.
Sir, can you please remove that, sir?
Can you? Sorry, I didn't get you.
So
Shall
I
we
think
go?
you might be able to change that.
Yeah, settings, sir. It's
Yeah, we can. Oh, we can hide the control center full screen and the session. Control. No, no, no. Actually, I'll be giving a look at it. You know, depends on the question. I'll be giving you the time. So the line segment which joins the center of the circle and any point on the circle called. Very simple question. I'm ending this
End the
question.
question, sir. End the question.
Yes, and the question.
End the question. Yes. Next question. All done. Very good. Oh, question by question it is showing.
Yes, sir. It'll be like until everyone answers, you cannot move.
Yes, sir.
No,
Can
no,
you
no.
just
Yes, and the next question, sir.
I'll
Click
just
on next question.
the line segment will be on the center of the next question. But you know, for every question we can't do like this. Huh? Oh, it is like that. Okay, go. Go for the question. Make it fast. Very simple, very simple, very simple. I'm going for the next question. Hope you have done with this question, guys.
No, sir, wait a
Yes, sir,
second.
done.
Sir, wait,
very
sir.
simple question बेटा. बहुत छोटा सा सवाल है. इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि like
Sir, it takes like it count down till 5 to give the next question.
sorry.
Sir, like when you give the next question, sir, it will start counting down till 5 and then we'll get the next question.
Yes. So is there any option something like that? We can have a countdown something like that. Or you want me to count 5 and just
No, sir. There was the time. So you disable some time extra point things, right? Maybe that one. I don't know, sir.
Yeah, we'll try with the next.
Yes, sir, and before each question, it takes a
question.
countdown again.
Yes.
For some reason.
Yeah, I know it's. Yeah, look at this here. Guys, people have given code and segment as no. Next question. Next question. The region between and up, very simple question. I think I can set the timing over here. Okay, done. Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
just a
sir.
minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ये क्वेश्चन को आप इतना टाइम नहीं ले सकते हो बेटा. Very simple question. You can't take much time for this single small question.
So I need to connect my keyboard, sir.
Oh. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of circles can be drawn through the three non-collinear points. Next question.
Sir, it's loading for me, sir.
It's loading.
Sir, it is not responding. Sir, it got hanged, sir. Can you wait a minute?
But sir, okay. But look at this here. When you are joining, please make sure that your network is proper. Next question. I'm giving you a couple of seconds and moving for the next. I think all these questions are very simple actually. Am I correct?
Yes.
Sir, it's all formulas.
All the properties.
I was asking for this kind of question actually. Calculate the angle.
What's the answer? This one. Make
Sir,
it
it is
one.
easy answer.
Don't reveal the answer, please. Kavya. Don't reveal the answer. Easy one.
Yes, sir.
Next. वेरी सिंपल डायरेक्ट प्रॉपर्टी. आपको प्रॉपर्टी पता है तो डायरेक्ट करना है. वेरी सिंपल. नेक्स्ट. This is a picture of what? What is this picture look? How this picture looks like? Minor arc, major arc, semicircle, central angle. This is a picture of क्या होता है? Don't reveal the answer. Make it fast. You can just tell me that. Next question. It's a very pretty simple question. Next. Guys, it is a very छोटा सवाल है. Next question. Time up. I think this question also we have solved. I think This type of question also we have solved. So given a circle with center O, then find angle OPR.
Sir, I guess you have to end the question to know the correct answer.
Sorry?
Sir, I guess you have to end the question to know the correct answer.
No. I'm not, I'm not.
Yes, sir. We are not getting like correct or incorrect.
You are not getting correct or incorrect.
Directly it's showing question.
So for me, the question is not loading.
Question is, like all these questions we have done already. Am I right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. I think you need time for this. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make it.
This time could you press end question,
Yes, sir. Because we're not getting to know if it's correct or incorrect.
Yes, sir. We are not able to.
So do you want me to wait for a few minutes?
No, sir. I mean, like instead of going directly to the next question, I guess you have
Sir, the
to.
question.
Okay. Acha, so
First, we have to press the
Like
end.
before.
yeah. Understood.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Attending to the next question.
End the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we are getting it's correct or incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll do in that way. 95 degrees. Next question. Find the value of x. Let me wind it up. Yes, is it showing now? Yes, 85 degrees. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. Yes. 60 is the answer. How many of you got this?
Sir, can
Me,
you
sir.
Sir, I got it.
Sorry?
Sir, I was saying I got it.
Sir, even I got it correct.
Next question.
Sir, can you explain it once? Please?
Got it correct.
We'll come back.
Okay, sir.
Very simple question. What is the part of the circle highlighted? Very simple, guys. Already we have done this question. I think I'm going for the next question now. Make it fast. Finished. Last 5 seconds. One.
Done, sir. यार,
Yes. Yes. Kavya first. Pranav second. Piyush third. Congratulations. Congratulations. Better. Okay. Guys, any doubts from the questions?
Sir, I had one doubt.
Sir, I also have one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, the 60-degree angle question, I had a doubt in that.
Okay. So chord which passes through the reserve and the chord which the lines segment which join the center of a circle and any point on the circle. What is the answer for this question? Look at this. It's a very simple direct question. Radius line segment which joins the center of the circle. Okay, very simple. Hope it is clear with everyone. Next question. Parini Madapalli is joining. Okay. Next. So the chord which passes through the center of the circle. What is that? Very simple diameter.
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 The region between an arc and two radii joining. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center to the end points of the arc. Sector बोलता है इसको. We have drawn a diagram and seen.
बस,
Getting my point?
बस,
Yes or no? एक आर्क ले लिया तो क्या बोलता है? ठीक है. Hope it is clear. Yes or no? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, the equal chords of a circle subtended. ये तो हमने last quiz. I think when we wrote a circles quiz last time, so in that exam also they have asked the same question. Am I correct? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will be equal. Okay, the equal chords of a circle subtend angles at the subtend equal angles at the center. Next question. Number of circles can be drawn through 3 non-collinear points. बताइए मुझे, how can we draw this?
Only one.
Only one, sir. So we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of the.
Of two chords.
Yes, sir. Like after joining the 3 points.
Perfect. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? You can ask. Anyone
No,
can ask
sir.
a doubt if you have anything. So, any doubts? People, make it fast.
Sir, no doubt in this question.
Next. So, if you go through all the questions so that others also can, if they miss anything, they can also understand. Angles in the same segment of a circle क्या होता है? Same. देखो क्या? Pranav is entering the room. Equal. Any doubts here? Angles in the same segment of circle are equal. Very simple question. Angle in a semicircle तो 90 degrees हम तो ये बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. Guys, many of you making 180 degrees. Why? देखो बेटा, like many times we have discussed this. Next, if the angles subtended by the chords at the center are equal, then the chords क्या होते हैं? Equal होता है as per the direct property. Direct property. Guys, I'm telling you again and again. So the properties whichever you have from the circles lesson, again, those properties again you'll be using in the class 10th as well. So make sure that you guys are, following the property and learning the properties perfectly. Okay. So yes, this question थोड़ा हम zoom करते हैं. Guys, look at this here. How many of you did this question? PA is equal to PB दिया है, तो is asking for PAB. How much?
So like triangle PAB is isosceles. So which means PAB is equal to PBA.
Yes.
So it will be 180 minus 90 by 180 minus 90 by 2. So
Yes,
it will be 90 by 2, 45 degrees.
Yes, 180 minus 90 by. Yes. How many of you did this?
I did it,
Me,
sir.
sir. Sir, I have done correct.
In a similar way, guys, don't put inky pinky ponky. ठीक है? Everyone must solve and put the question. ऐसा नहीं है कि इंकी पिंकी ब्लाइंडली सबको कुछ भी एक ऑप्शन डाल देंगे तो क्विज खत्म हो जाएगी, क्विज खत्म हो जाएगा, 6:30 को हम लोग क्लास लीव कर देंगे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा. गाइस, समझ में आ रहा है एवरीवन? नो
Yes,
इंकी
sir.
पिंकी
Yes, sir.
ponky
Yes, sir.
here, please. Is there anyone something like that?
No,
Guys,
sir.
No, sir.
don't go for inky pinky ponky concept. ठीक है? Next question. Next, one second. Next. This one. देखो how much this one? Very simple. Direct. From the diagram itself, I can say that 3 centimeters. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Directly. ये क्या होता है? माइनर आर्क ही तो बोलते हैं इनको. Isn't it? Minor arc. Very simple. Clearly आपके it is clearly in front of you. Direct question. You guys, make sure that you are writing major arc. Many people have written major arc. 2 people have written major arc. Guys who have written the major arc नहीं होता है बेटा, वो छोटा है तो छोटा arc को minor arc बोलता है. ठीक है? Minor arc. Next. What is a semicircle? Half of a circle circumference that is cut off the middle. Very simple. Everyone have done this. Perfect. Very good. Guys, मुझे बताइए how many have you done this question? Given a circle in the center, वो find the. This is not LOPR, but already we have done the question. This question. Again, this repeated question. OPR. Either is angle OPR. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So like, how did you get this one, sir? I did not get this one.
How many have you done this? Can you raise your hand?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So basically, in quadrilateral ARQP, it's a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 100, which is 80. So then the middle angle will be twice, right? So using that property, I did it, sir.
So I did it like if PQR is equal to 100, then POR should be double of PQR. So it will be 200. So in the since the circle has 360 degrees, then minor like the smaller angle of POR will be 160, which is 360 minus 120. And then since the angle PRO is isosceles, angle OPR and ORP both are equal to 10 degrees.
Yes, sir. Same thing, sir.
Yeah. Look at this here. Look at this here. What he has given here. आपके पास ये question है. काव्या देख लीजिए इधर. I'll explain it. Okay. Here PQR is what? They are in a PQR and this point. Which one? A point. Okay. PQRA. They are in the circle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the PQRA. What exactly you have here? PQRA. What exactly representing? Some quadrilateral. Am I correct? So what we know here, which property we can use? Sum of pair of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. What happens? 180 degrees. As Piyush said that 180 degrees. So what can I make here? Angle PQR. Let me write, and they explained. Let us write and show. Okay. 180 angle PQR plus angle PAR. How much beta? 180 degrees. Am I correct? आपके पास ये कितना है? 100 है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? How much?
100 plus PR.
So angle
180 and this will be 80.
is equal to 80 degrees. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
From this, and one more property we can use here. What we know here? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double angle subtended by any point on the circle. हमने सीखा था ये. Very important property. Guys, angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double angle subtended by at any point on the remaining, rest of the part of the circle. ठीक है? So उधर से क्या? From that condition can I write PQR is equal to 2 times of angle PAR. Am I correct? PAR is what here? 80. So 2 into 80. How much? How much? Kavya, 160. Correct. If I just go with, look at it here, if I go with this one, this triangle, this triangle, this shaded triangle, if I go with the shaded triangle, what happens? It is an isosceles triangle. Look at the 1 second. Kaha? 1 second. Look at this. Triangle PQR. From the triangle PQR, OPR, not 1 second. Let me write. Triangle. This OPR is like, this is an equilateral triangle. So here, what exactly this OP and O are denoting here? What are they? What are they to the circle? ये circle को क्या होता है? Radius, of course. OP is equal to OR. OP and OR are radii. So OP is radius and OR is the radius. Radii is nothing but plural form of the radius. ठीक है? हाँ, radii क्या होता है? फिर से ऐसा घबराना मत. ठीक है? समझ रहे ना? हाँ. So from this, can I say now OPR is equal to ORP? Guys, ये दोनों बराबर है तो ये दोनों बराबर हो जाएगा ना? Of course. तो मैंने क्या लिखूंगा इधर? Sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. काव्या, am I correct, काव्या? Getting my point, काव्या? OPR.
Yes,
काव्या,
ma'am.
you asked doubt, are you here or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Listening.
OPR, देखो बेटा क्या लिख सकता है? OPR as well as POR plus PO and R क्या? ORP is equal to कितना? 180 degrees. So हमारे पास like we have this one. What is this? PQR. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 second. I think 1 second. Let us write here. So what can I do here now? बताइए मुझे. Here we know that OPR is equal to ORP. So what can I write here now? Tell me. Here this part OPR and ORP ये दोनों क्या हो जाएगा? बराबर हो जाएगा. तो 2 times of what? OPR. Am I correct? Guys, as per this, OPR is equal to ORP है ना? Yes or no? I don't have space. That is the reason I'm not able to write all the steps. 1 second. मैंने लिख
Yes,
दिया.
sir.
फिर भी लिखता हूँ. No problem. How much this one? 160 मिल गया मुझे. ये कितना था? How much it is? OPR only. बेटा this ये दोनों बराबर है ना? काव्या जी रेस्पॉन्ड कीजिए. समझ में आ रहा है?
Sorry, sir. I was on mute. Yes, sir.
Look at it. 1 second. This is a so 2 times of क्या होता है बेटा? देखो वो टाइम OPR 180 minus 160 कितना हो जाएगा? तो 20. तो OPR is equal to 20/2 10 हो जाएगा. तो बराबर हो जाएगा आंसर. ये समझा? प्लीज इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी यू कैन कॉपी. इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ स्नैप यू कैन टेक. आई एम जस्ट क्लियरिंग द स्क्रीन. मैंने क्लियर करूंगा स्क्रीन तो पूरा चला जाएगा. मैंने जो भी लिखा हूँ पूरा चला जाएगा बेटा. आपको जो भी जिसको भी आंसर चाहिए उसको क्या करना है? आपको स्क्रीनशॉट या तो कॉपी कर लेना, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? समझ रहे हो आप? Getting my point, people? Make it fast. Make it fast. Hello.
Done, sir. Take a screenshot.
Right. Next. This question. This is a repeated question, guys. This already we have done. Please go through this. Okay. Anyone of you having doubt? Guys, how many have you done this?
Sir, I've done it.
Sir, I have done it. Explain.
Sir, I have done it.
Yes. 1 second. Pranav or Mohit? Mohit.
Sir, I'm here.
No. The guy who has responded just now, like Mohit or Pranav. Not Pranav, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you explain this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you please? BAC. How did you get a BAC as 95 degrees? Yes. The people who has not done this, they also get an idea.
Sir, so because BAC and BDC, both of them are in the same segment, so angles BAC and angle BDC will be equal. So we have to find angle BDC here, which we can find by one angle is 25. In triangle EDC, another angle would be 60 because 120 plus 60 makes a linear pair on line segment BD. And then the angle EDC would be 180 minus 60 plus 25. There's 180 minus 85, which will be 95. So because BDC and BAC are equal, BAC equal to 95.
Perfect. Yes. How, what is your name? Mohit. How did you do, Mohit? Mohit. Mohit, I think Mohit has not, Mohit is not here. Yes. Guys, shall we go for the next question? Any doubts here?
No doubts, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Next.
No, not sir.
How many have you done this question?
Sir, I have done it.
Yes, sir. Me, sir.
So I too have done.
Very simple. Next. How many have you done this?
Sir, I have doubt here, sir.
A doubt in this.
Sir, I got this.
Sir, I
Sir,
also have doubt in this, sir.
Yes, Kavya. Tell me.
so like angle AOB will be double of angle ACB because angle at center is double the angle
AOB is double of?
is double of ACB. It's like
Yes.
double of ACB.
Yes, please carry on.
So like then ACB will be 30 degrees. So in triangle DCB, DCB plus CDB plus DBC is equal to 180 angles of property, and then we can find DBC.
Sir, my doubt here is like here if you take it as a triangle OAD, in triangle OAD, angle ADO is going to be 90 degrees, right? Like vertically opposite angles. Okay. So sir, then 60 plus 90, 150. So 30 degrees, right? So then we'll get angle OAD is equal to 30 degrees.
Yes. देखो हमने solve करा.
Yes, sir. So then, since both of them are from like the same segment, shouldn't they both be like equal? Like,
Sir, in this figure we have only one segment, that is BC.
yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, there is no other segment.
OC,
Like I meant to say like 30. Shouldn't 30 degrees be the answer? That's my question.
but Piyush, OC doesn't form a segment, right? Like it's a radius, not a chord. So
Look at this here. Yes. 1 second. AOB क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने 2 times of ACB. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
ACB is what? Half of the
Okay,
AOB.
sir. Understood now. Understood, sir. What you mean?
क्या होता है? ACB is 30 degrees. Am I correct? समझ जाएगा?
Yes, sir. That understood.
ठीक है?
Understood.
Guys,
Yes.
did you get your mistake?
Yes, I got it, sir. I was taking OC as a segment, but actually it should be AB.
देखो ट्रायंगल बी देखो 1 सेकंड. ट्रायंगल BDC में क्या होता है? ट्रायंगल BDC में क्या होता है बताओ मुझे. Sum of all this angle BDC in BDC angle D plus angle B plus angle C. How much? 180. So you have C angle here, angle D you have. Then what will you write here? B angle कितना होगा? How much you get beta 180 minus? Guys, D how much? 90. C how much?
30 degrees.
Guys, those who want to copy, you can copy, please. I mean,
Yes,
in
sir.
fact, you can take a snap so that you will not miss, you will not make a mistake in for the next time. See, we have done this question, I think. So 120, तो ये कितना होता है 120? तो 60 हो जाएगा ये. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, I got it.
very simple question.
Sir, also AO and BC are parallel lines.
Sorry.
Sir, also AO and BC are parallel lines.
Who is that talk? Who is talking?
Sir, Aditya.
Yes, Aditya. Did you solve this?
Yes, sir.
How did you solve? Can you please tell me?
Sir, I took AO and BC as parallel lines and
And B was a transversal.
yes, sir.
Perfect.
And sir, I took BDC and ODA are vertically opposite angles, so I got it as 90 degrees ODA.
BDC and
ODA, sir.
okay, हाँ. Yes. Then 30 you will get it, beta. 30 मिलता है आपको.
Sir,
Yes, sir. And OP.
not
The
given.
alternate interior angles
हाँ.
actually.
Then Aditya, you will get 30 that time. Then you might have wrote option A. Hello.
No, sir.
No. You get 90, right? 90 plus 60 कितना होता है? 150. 150 plus 150. 180 minus 150. 30 मिलेगा ना आपको? 60 कैसा मिलेगा? How do you get 60?
So they're asking for angle OBC, right? So if you get
हाँ, that is also there. He's asking for OBC.
Sir, I may have made
Not-
a calculation error.
Yeah. They are asking for OBC in fact, not O, not A. He's not asking for A actually. He's talking about B.
Sir, like it's not given in the question that OA and BC are parallel, right? So how can you take it as parallel?
Yes,
sir?
that
Yes,
is
sir.
also.
Like after finding the angles, then only we can conclude that it is parallel. But
Yes.
like in the question, we didn't get it.
Yes, and look at this. दोनों diagram पे भी देखो. It is like it is not looking somewhat parallel also. देखो एक बार ध्यान से देखो.
No, sir, it is parallel. The thing is, like after finding out the angle, we get to know it.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
It's
That
not
is
given
also.
in the question.
Yes, so after getting like we'll be getting angle OBC 60, right? With that we can prove it's a parallel. So
Of course, you can prove that. That is also valid. देखो मुझे देखने में भी parallel नहीं दो. Like when I look at that, immediately I can't say it's a parallel. देखने में भी नहीं लिख रहा है ऐसा. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
You might have made a calculation mistake. beta.
Yes, sir.
देखो, the procedure which we have done here, it's an easy procedure. देखो, is there any difficulty, guys? इसमें समझने में कोई difficulty है?
No, sir. I made it complicated.
हाँ, देखो, very simple. See, आपको अगर like if at all they are giving a condition, then you can go for parallel. I mean parallel condition. ठीक है? You can go for parallelogram, and if I would be in a position, मुझे directly याद नहीं आता कि ये parallel है. ठीक है? I would not it'll go that straight away. मेरा दिमाग चलता है कि हाँ, तो BC कैसे find out करेंगे BC? As per the condition जो भी है इधर देखो. ठीक है? Getting my point, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys? Anyone? Every one of you?
No doubt, sir.
Perfect.
no doubt.
So
No doubt.
after this very simple question we have. Oh, let me clear the screen. This is a very simple question. How many have you done this question?
So me, sir.
Tell me.
Okay.
I did too.
How did you do this?
So angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees as it's an angle in the
Yes, 90 plus 139, 129. Yes. Plus
Yes.
51, 180. So 51 is going to be your answer. Identify the region of the PAQ. Very simple. Very simple question. Guys, any doubt here? Very simple
No,
question.
sir, no doubt.
I have a minor
No,
segment.
sir.
So what is this? Major arc.
Major arc.
Red color.
Major-
It's clearly mentioned that red color वाली जो भी है arc उसको क्या बोलता है? What exactly that red color one? Major arc. So this is what the session beta. Hope you enjoyed the session. Hope you got something from the session.
Yes, sir.
Right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Have class.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Yes, sir. Nice, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Is it
Thank
clear, Aditya and Piyush? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
They have left. No problem. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.